Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nazif Butcher. In my previous video, you saw how I debone the beef head. So now I'm going to show you how I trim it and make it ready for the showcase to sell. Come on, guys. So this was the inside round. First, what I do is I slice it in half. You see all this fat? I got no use for it. A lot of people say the flavors in the fat, but the customers I have, they don't like the fat. And the customer is who's paying the bill, so I got to do what they want. And then to make it look pretty, I get rid of this part to trim it up. This will all go into grinding for hamburger. That's why I'm leaving the meat with the fat so that my ratio is good. And then this, don't need it. Get rid of this. This is good enough. Then we'll move on to the next side. Same thing. So as you can see, I'm leaving meat on the fat because I'm going to be using this to make hamburgers. So I can't use only fat. I got to leave some meat with it. And this is enough. Just this part doesn't look good. Keep this for grinding. Next we have the eye of round. So similarly, get rid of the fat. So I need to make for grinding, and also at the same time I make it look pretty so that when you walk into my store you will see and you will like it. If you like it, you will buy it. Looks good enough. Now we have our knuckle part. Same thing. Okay, this is what people call tri-tip. So it's part of the top sirloin is the tail. I have a customer that likes this, so I separate this like so. Get rid of this. He will buy it as is, so I'm going to keep that for him. And then the remaining, I trim first. All right. This is the knuckle bone, which I will remove. And then I'm going to show you how I make this look prettier. Like I said before, a sharp knife is a butcher's best friend. So if you have a nice sharp knife, you won't feel your work to be difficult. See all of this? I need it. I need it to make hamburgers. And these trims makes beautiful, perfect, juicy hamburgers. Maybe in the future I can show you how I make burgers. See how beautiful that looks? Next we have the flat, outside down, silver skin, silver side. I don't know. There's so many names for this part. But anyhow, we're just gonna trim it and make it beautiful. All right, I cut it in half. Get rid of all of these fatty parts. Take a nice little slice from here. Too much fat, remove the fat. This was a little bone that we cracked. All right, these parts we don't need. Extra fat. See, my friend? Looks gorgeous. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. All of this I need for grinding. See? Looks good. This is the heel. The extra fat, I don't need it. See, my friend? Looks good, no? Now we'll move on to the shank. Same thing. All we're doing is just trying to make it look prettier, presentable. If it looks good, it sells good. And this, my friend, is the shank. Looks good enough. There you have it. This is the beef hip ready to go. I'm gonna set it up on in the trays, ready to go for the customers. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. I appreciate it. Until next time, take care.